Welcome to Woodside. Hey guys, my name is Elena Yang. I am a junior at Babson College, and today I'm going to take you guys along a little tour. Woodside is the largest residence hall at Babson College, and the room types here are double rooms and triple rooms. Every room also includes a private bathroom for the 2 or 3 people to share. So let's come on in.
Hello.
She's Tiffany, my friend. Thank you so much for doing the dorm room tour today. And yeah, this is her room. So let's walk through some of the stuff that you have in your dorm room, because obviously it's like super cool. I see there's a lot of decorations and things.
Over here we have the air purifier, and we also have an air diffuser.
I see that over here there's also a couch as well as the book. Thinking Fast and Slow. I really like this book. Who thought of the couch?
We just got this a few weeks ago. We love the couch. It's a really great addition to our room.
I see that there's like a bunch of posters and photos of you two together, photos of you two with friends.
Yeah, so some of them are photos we've taken at Babson, but a lot of them are also photos from back home. Me and my roommate, we're both from Jakarta, and so we have a lot of pictures of our friends and our family back home so that we can get reminded of home.
What is your experience being an international student here? I know it's very far away from home.
Yeah, I love it at Babson because Babson is a very international school. I feel like I still have a sense of community here. I get to meet a lot of new people, and whenever I travel now, I just get to I can call up one of my friends and ask them if they can show me around, which is really nice.
I see a huge TV.
Yeah, so for the TV, actually, we bought it off of the old person who lived in this exact dorm.
Wow.
Yeah, so she gave it to us at a much discounted price, which was nice. And tonight, we're having a small movie night in this room, so that'll be fun.
Would you be happy to show us all your closet space?
Yeah, of course. I really like this because we have a big closet space, and we bought these. It just makes everything so much more organized.
And what about the bathroom?
What I love about Woodside is that we have our own private bathroom, so we don't have to share a bathroom anymore.
Yeah, there's the standard sink, ASMR of water running, and of course there's also the bathtub. Everything is so newly renovated, and it's just a very nice and cozy space for 2 people to live in. Now can we go to the lounge space, and can you just show us what the public areas are in Woodside?
Yeah, of course.
We are now at the kitchen. As we can see, there are 2 new refrigerators here as well as 2 new microwaves, and so if you want to store your food, cook here at the stove. And we also have new air fryers that you can use.
So in here in this kitchen, I like to make a lot of Indo food, so I brought a lot of spices from back home, and so I would just cook here and then we would just eat right over here, which is really nice.
Well, we have this entire setup, the whole facility that's ready for use whenever you want to cook or have friends over.
And here we have our laundry room, so we have 4 sets of washers and 4 sets of dryers, and it's just very convenient.
We all just do our laundry here free of charge, and every single week you can do it however many times that you need to. We are at the lounge space now. As a college advancement ambassador, I was able to visit this space when it was still being renovated. One of the things I noticed is the pattern of my entire outfit with the couch. So the resemblance is unreal. There's a huge TV in this lounge space, as well as a lot of couch space for friends to sit in.
Honestly, I rarely come here, but every time I pass by, there's always, especially at night, there's always groups of people just sitting here and eating, watching the TV.
Again, great place for socialization. Well, that is it for the dorm room tour of Woodside. Thank you so much for your time, Tiffany. And I really enjoyed touring around your room.
Thank you.
Woodside also connects to HELV, which is the Herring Family Entrepreneurship Leadership Village, and the space over here is actually a cafe that's newly renovated also this year. This is where we study and get coffee with friends sometimes. Although this space is not open right now, this is where the cafe is, and over here we serve some fruit, breakfast sandwiches, and all types of drinks. Last of all, this is another study space for all the students to work around.